Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be doing a deck review of the Whispering Woods deck. I got this in a subscription box. Very cute. Be whisked away with these 40 cards to a place of calm solitude. Take a moment to reflect. Be steered towards and inspired by peaceful voices from the woodland realm. Amidst your daily life, embrace nature and seek solace in the Whispering Woods. So that's US Games. I've been getting a lot of little tiny decks like this in my boxes, and they're actually pretty intriguing. Before we go any further, make sure that you hit that like button. I've always said it at the end, but who really watches the last couple seconds? So I'm going to try saying, hit the like button. If you haven't already, subscribed. We do a lot of fun stuff here on this channel, and I'd love to have you. And after you've seen this, comment below. So let's check it out. How to use the cards. Whenever you need inspiration and guidance, sit in a peaceful spot and draw a card from the deck. Allow the quiet whisperings of the woodland realm to inspire and steer you towards the right path. And so it's a very beautiful little fawn, and we got a little bun, little squirrel. I don't know if I told you guys, but I have a pet squirrel now, or a squirrel that we're rehabilitating now, so pretty appropriate. All right, let's check it out. Adventure. Live wild and free. Caution. Tread softly so as not to disturb the woodland floor. I'm actually not going to read the little ones. I'll leave it close enough so that you can, though. Change. Cleanse. Clearing. Dance. Forbearance. Flow. Friends. Grounded. Growth, hope, humility, idle hours, journey, joy, kindness, learn, let go, light, music, opportunities, origins, path, patience, reconnect, renew, retreat, resilient, risk, strength, surprises, teach, the night, time, transform, trust, uncertainty, wish, woods. We're back to adventure. So, the cardstock, cardstock's not bad. It's flexible. You can definitely shuffle them. They're a nice small deck. And the images on the back are very pretty. You don't read in reverse, so it doesn't matter that the image obviously only goes one way. They're very, very pretty. Just a nice little charming thing. I think I would add it to like a spirit animal oracle reading, just to give it a little touch of the forest, or even the angels and ancestors it would go good with, I think. There's a lot of different decks, even the Threads of Fate, because I think it has a lot of those nature archetypes. I think, and obviously the forest is one of our favorite places, so definitely has you could use it as standalone, or it can enrich a reading, a wide variety of readings, I would say. It would go really well with a wide variety of decks, or even the spring or autumn season. Very nice. So thank you guys for watching. If you didn't hear it already, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon.